In this video, we are going to be discussing the high-frequency GRE words starting with the letter A. The first word on our list is alleviate. Alleviate means to make something less severe, painful, or difficult. For example, the pain medication helped alleviate her headache. The next word is amalgamate. Amalgamate means to combine or mix together different elements to form a single entity. For example, the company decided to amalgamate with another business. Ambiguous means open to more than one interpretation. Ambivalence means the state of having mixed feelings or contradictory ideas about something or someone. For example, she had ambivalence about her decision to leave her job. Ameliorate means to make something better or more acceptable. For example, the new policy ameliorated the working conditions. Anachronism refers to something that is out of place in terms of historical or chronological context. For example, the use of a cell phone in a medieval movie is anachronism. Analogous means similar or comparable in some way. For example, the structure of the human hand is analogous to that of a monkey's. Anarchy means the absence of government or a state of lawlessness. For example, the country was in anarchy after the dictator was overthrown. Anomalous means deviating from what is normal or expected. For example, the results of the experiment were anomalous and hard to explain. Finally, antipathy means a strong feeling of dislike or aversion. For example, he had an antipathy towards politicians. Remember, these are just a few of the high-frequency words that you may come across on the GRE. Be sure to check out our other videos in this series for more words and practice. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos.